Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Fluent English Channel. I am so happy to see you here today. My name is Anna. This is a very special place to learn English because we make everything easy and fun. How are you today? I hope you are feeling wonderful. The sun is shining today and I feel very happy.
Hello, Anna. Hello to all our friends at home. I am Tom. I am very happy today, too. The weather is a bit cold, but the sky is blue. I love days like this. I feel very positive and ready to help you learn. Today we have a very important topic. It is a topic for real life.
Yes, Tom. Today we are talking about shopping, but not just shopping. We are talking about when shopping goes wrong. Sometimes we buy something, but when we go home, we are not happy. Maybe the shirt is too small. Maybe the box is broken. We need to go back to the store to complain.
That is true, Anna. It happens to me many times. Last week, I bought a new lamp. I was very excited. I went home and I opened the box, but the lamp was broken. I felt very sad. I had to go back to the store to talk to the person there. It is a bit difficult if you do not know the words in English.
Do not worry, Tom. That is why we are here. Today, we will help you. We will teach you the simple words to return an item. We want you to feel confident. If you are in a store in London or New York, you can do it. But before we start, please subscribe to our channel. It is very important for us.
Yes, please subscribe. It helps us make more videos for you. And please click the like button too. We love to see your likes. It makes us feel very motivated. If you are ready, let's start our story. Anna, imagine I bought a sweater yesterday.
Okay, Tom, you bought a beautiful sweater. What color is it?
It is a blue sweater. It looks very soft, but when I put it on at home, I had a problem. It was very small. I look like a small baby in a big sweater. No, wait, I look like a big man in a very small sweater. It is not comfortable. I cannot move my arms.
Oh no, Tom, that is a very common problem. We call that the wrong size. In English, we say, it does not fit me. Repeat after me, friends. It does not fit me. This is a very useful sentence. If something is too big or too small, you say, it does not fit.
It does not fit me. Okay, I will remember that. I'm at the store now. I'm walking to the counter. The counter is the long table where the assistant stays. I feel a little nervous. My heart is going fast. I don't like to complain.
It is okay, Tom. Don't be nervous. The people in the store are usually very kind. They want to help you. When you arrive at the counter, you should say hello first. Always be polite. You can say, hello, how are you today?
Hello, how are you today? Okay, I can do that. The assistant says, I am fine, thank you. How can I help you? Now is the moment. I need to tell her about my blue sweater. Anna, what do I say next?
You should show the item. You can say, I would like to return this sweater, please. Use the word return. It is the most important word today. To return means to give something back to the store because you do not want it.
I would like to return this sweater, please. That is a good sentence. It is short and clear. The assistant asks me, is there a problem with the sweater? What should I say about the size?
You can say, yes, it is too small. It does not fit me. Or if it is a different problem, you can say it is too big. Remember the words too small and too big. They are opposites. They help the assistant understand why you are back at the store.
Okay, but Anna, what if the sweater is not small? What if it has a hole? Sometimes clothes have holes or they are dirty. That is very bad.
You are right, Tom. If there is a hole or if a machine is not working, we say the item is broken or damaged. You can say, I'm sorry, but this item is damaged, or this item is broken.
This item is broken. I see. For example, if I buy a toaster for my bread and it does not make the bread hot, I say, it is broken. Is that correct?
Exactly. If a machine does not work, it is broken. The assistant will look at the item, they will check the hole or the problem, then they will ask you for a very important piece of paper. Do you know what it is, Tom?
Oh, I know. It is the receipt. The receipt is the small white paper they give you when you pay. I always keep my receipts in my wallet. They are very messy, but they are important.
Yes, the receipt is your proof. It shows you paid for the item in that store. You say, "Here is my receipt." If you have the receipt, the process is very fast and very easy. Friends, always keep your receipts in a safe place.
I have my receipt. I give it to the assistant. She looks at it and says, "Thank you. Do you want to exchange this or do you want a refund?" Wow, those are two big words, Anna. What do they mean?
Don't worry, Tom. They are simple. Exchange means you want the same thing but a different one. For example, you want the blue sweater but in a bigger size. You give the small one and you take the big one. That is an exchange.
Oh, I like that. I want a big blue sweater, so I say, "I would like to exchange it for a bigger size, please."
Perfect. But sometimes they don't have a bigger size. Maybe the store is empty. Then you want your money back. That is a refund.
A refund. I like that word too. Money back is always good. I can say, "I would like a refund, please." It is very simple. Anna, you are making this very easy for me. I feel much better now. I am not nervous anymore.
I am glad, Tom. That is our goal. English should not be scary. It should be like a walk in the park. Now imagine another situation. Imagine you bought a toy for a child, but the toy is missing a part. There is no wheel on the toy car.
That is very sad for the child. I go to the store and I say, "Hello, I have a problem. This toy is missing a part." Is missing a part a good expression?
Yes, it is excellent. Missing means it is not there. You can also say it is incomplete. The assistant will say, "Oh, I am so sorry about that." Being sorry is very common in English stores. They want you to be happy.
I like when people are kind. It makes the world a better place. After I get my refund or my exchange, I should say thank you, right?
Yes, always. You can say, "Thank you for your help. Have a nice day." It is the perfect way to finish. The assistant will be happy, and you will be happy with your new sweater or your money.
This is great. Let's practice the words again for our friends. We have return, exchange, refund, receipt, broken, damaged, and it does not fit me.
Those are the key words. Friends, why don't you try to write a sentence in the comments? Tell us about a time you returned something. You can write, "I returned a shirt because it was too big." It's a great way to practice.
Yes, please write to us. We love reading your comments. It makes us feel like we are all in a big classroom together. And if you have a question about a different item, ask us. We are here to help.
We really are. Learning a language is about small steps. Today, you learned how to solve a problem in a store. That's a big step. You should be very proud of yourself.
I am proud of our listeners. They are doing a great job. I think I am ready to go back to the store and fix my sweater problem now. I have my blue sweater, I have my receipt, and I have my English words.
Go for it, Tom. You can do it. And all of you at home, thank you for watching Mr. Fluent English Channel. We love having you here. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with your friends.
See you in the next video. We have many more things to talk about. Maybe next time we can talk about going to a restaurant or the doctor.
That sounds like a plan. Goodbye, everyone. Have a beautiful, wonderful day. Remember to practice your English every day, even if it's just for 5 minutes.
Goodbye, friends. See you soon. Keep smiling and keep learning.
Wait, Tom, before we go, I have one more tip for our friends. Sometimes the assistant asks, "Do you have the original packaging?" Do you know what packaging is?
Is that the box or the bag?
Yes, it is the box. It is always better to bring the box back with you. It makes the return very easy.
That is a great tip, Anna. Always keep the box for a few days. Okay, now we are really finished. Goodbye.